Ground, I have troops on the southeast side on the steep hill of objective. Permission to fire on that. Alright, gonna take that as granted.
Hey, where are you heading?
Southeast side of the hill. Going in for second run. Disregard last.
Scanning right now. I'm pushing to the forward line of troops. Eyes on red and yellow smoke.
I have eyes on that smoke as well. Well, but I think it just blew on blue.
It didn't look like it. Let's see.
I have eyes on another guy. It's going to be on the southwest of the hill. I'm going in. Sorry. Yeah, southeast.
Southeast safer. Oh damn, I'm hit, but not horribly. Stand by.
All units, can we get a confirmation on friendlies? Friendlies position.
I'm bandaging myself right now.
Godfather, this air.
Alright, go ahead.
Can I get a confirmation on friendly position? Sorry, can you say again on last?
You got friendlies moving up towards the town, near the destroyed little bunkers, I guess. And then you got support by fire just west of them.
Friendly position on destroyed bunkers and support by fire next to them. Roger.
Yeah, it's next to the OBJ, which has not yet been destroyed.
Affirm. Hey, I see. If you press J, you should be able to pull up your actual tracker.
Oh shit, I had it open, I just didn't fucking realize.
Hey, there's troops on ground, enemy north of the objective, over.
Roger, how far, how close?
Danger close, within 150 meters.
Of destroyed?
Of destroy ammo, yeah. OBJ2.
Roger, coming in 30 seconds.
Alright, hey, they're right on my position if you can see me on the BFT.
Yep, I advise.
Hey, ground forces interrogative, this is Salsa break. Be advised, can you mark your position with smoke, over? Eyes on white smoke.
Air, you're just shooting at friendlies. Be careful.
Ignore that.
Godfather, did you say ignore on that last?
Yes, from ground squad, ignore on last. You were right to shoot.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't believe that's true.
Whoever said that air, like, made it wrong, was shooting at friendlies, they were shooting at enemies near your position.
I have eyes on yellow smoke. Can we get a confirmation if that is friendlies or not?
Yeah, it's for me. Don't worry about that.
Roger. You have a disregard.
Yeah, it looks like a friendly supply drop. I definitely got domed by one of our troops on the ground though. I did Zeus heal myself.
Godfathers, I see. Are we trying to keep OBJ intact? Over.
Salsa says, Godfather, it must be destroyed.
Affirm.
Shit, I can do that.
Hey, do you need a reload of your hydras?
I've got 9. I'll be good for a run.
Alright, you go first and then I'll follow.
Roger. Coming in from the west.
Affirm.
There is a enemy Vic with a turret on it on the southeast side of that
Eyes on.
town.
Hey, Air, you on the net?
A
Yes,
firm.
we are.
Hey, ceasefire on town, HVT.
Affirm, we're gonna ceasefire for now.
Hey, bro.
So glad Avner doesn't have this freak.
Yeah,
Me.
I would. He's so fucking retarded.
Hey, switch. Go 3 up. 35.5.
Affirm.
You're kidding me.
$35.5 for air.
What happened? Did he get it?
Yeah.
Huh?
He got the other freak, the one we were on. So I just swapped it.
Nice. Hey, our contingent's gonna be 37.3, but just let me know.
I got you. For right now though, just ceasefire on town. HVT is there, but I see you doing good work though. I'm kind of upset because you know my mortars are landing, but you just got there before me, so I was like kind of sad. But it's okay.
Oh, as soon as I saw them landing, I waved off because I was like, oh yeah, they're hitting target.
No, you did. I see good effect though, but I'll let you know. I'll come up on the net if I need some. If you see red smoke by me, just go ahead, go for it.
A
Red smoke.
firm.
Okay, I will throw red smoke. I'm not gonna be able to call on the net, but just know it's me throwing it, and you're free to hit it.
Roger.
Well, you know I'm gonna get there first, right?
I know. I have to let the young ones get their
Alright,
get their
bitch,
feet
shut
wet.
the fuck up. You see this fucking orbit I'm doing here? Look at this shit.
Yeah, I'm just standing at idle right now, right above the city.
Same. And one mic.
Hey, wait one, I'm gonna go off the net for a sec.
Roger.
God damn it.
Hey Zoga, can you confirm that that was Welbo?
Yeah, that was Wobble. I can confirm Wobble went down. Sorry, I tried to kill him, but he was just running. I apologize.
Where's that target, or is he down?
He should be dead. I think there's another one. I would fly away from the air for right now.
Yeah, that's gonna be an A firm. Do you know that direction or position on that?
It's gonna be to the south of of the fucking town plaza, southwest of the town plaza on top of the little hill.
Roger. Godfather, this is Salsa. Can I get a rearm on Hydras? Over.
Hey, Ninja, good op so far, by the way.
Hey, smoke in the air towards your position. Godfather, I need hydras now.
User left your
Over.
channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel.
I have smoke in the air heading towards me. I believe I dodged that rocket. There's going to be 2 RPGs in the town. One on the south side of the hill of Destroyed. Over. Nice hit on that target. He's downed.
Hey, Air, be advised, have eyes on HET. They are located at the Church of Grid. Break 103191. Anything to the southeast, you are cleared.
Roger, southeast, over.
Be advised, friendlies are in town as well, so watch your fire.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Not the church, not the church.
User left your channel.
You did say the church.
User
over.
joined your channel.
Was that blue on blue?
Radio check 35.5.
Lima Charlie, hit anything to the southeast of church. Anything else
Roger.
but the church.
Roger, roger.
User left your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Hit that shit that we're suppressing right now. Yeah, you should see lasers and shit. I cannot know where that is. To the southwest and on the mountain of current cause, which is my church.
Roger, I
left your
have
channel.
eyes on what you guys are shooting at.
Yeah, kill
User
it,
joined
kill
your
it, do
channel.
something.
User
Say
left
again
your
on
channel.
last.
Kill it.
User joined your channel.
Roger, roger, roger. Coming in. Godfather, this icy. Can I get a rearm on Hydras?
Radio check, I'm back.
You have to land first to get a rearm. Like land at base.
You said south of church?
Southwest of church.
Southwest, affirm.
Should see a fucking bunch of lasers going south.
Eyes on.
Affirm. Very clear, open up.
Good effect.
Oh, great fucking effect. Danger close, but yeah, great effect.
Alright, I'm gonna come back west-east.
Negative, don't do that. Friendlies are behind that now.
Different.
These eyes on red smoke.
Well, Ice is going for RTB.
Come from north.
Different.
Hey, heads up here. I am shooting mortar at this time, so I don't want to try to hit you. So heads up.
Different, thank you much.
Salsa, I see. I'm gonna be heading back. One mic.
Hey, you said on the red smoke?
Negative right now. Fucking friendlies are on it now.
Here, mark some shit for me.
I got you. I'm tracking.
Hey, I have eyes on a Vic.
Hey, firm, go ahead. Wait, where's the Vic?
Northeast.
Yeah, you should be cleared.
Well, that was fucking beautiful.
Thank you.
That
I'm
was
no
really
different.
nice.
I got a perfect shot of that too. I have it recorded.
Hell yeah.
All units, Icy's back up. You got 2 times little birds. Over.
Oh, 2 copies. We're taking contact from the east of the church.
East of church, standby scanning.
East, yeah.
Hey, I have eyes on movement, east, southeast.
Hey.
I
Hey, yeah,
cleared?
we're taking contact northeast. Whatever you see northeast, yeah, you're cleared. Friendly should not be over there. And taking fire from the north of the church too on the tree line. Hold on, I can get fucking red smoke or something.
Yeah, mark
out.
smoke on it.
On vehicle, where you hit.
Different.
Oh my god!
Good?
That was really good, but I was so close!
I have eyes on purple smoke. Does that mean anything's over?
That's me, no, I accidentally threw it. That's me. Friendly, that's friendly pause. Alright, we got context on grid. That's gonna be southeast of town. It's gonna be the farthest southeast. It's gonna be grid 123-189, roughly bearing 158 from my pause from the church. It's a bunch of buildings.
Alright. So mark your current position with smoke, and then give us a cardinal direction from that.
Marking my current pause with purple smoke.
Oh, shit!
It's gonna be southeast of my purple smoke, 200 meters.
Hey, break. Hey, well, I'm coming in for that.
Alright, hey, I got caught with my pants down. I'm pushing north egressing.
Yep. Just followed behind you. I'm coming up on your left. Up top.
I'm good. Just a little bit,
1-2, this air. You're taking some AA from the northwest. Over.
I'm trying to get back into an orbiter. trying to get back into orbit with you right now. Stand by. Yeah, if you mark positions with smoke, we can,
Hey, they're on the fucking hill coming down from where we came from, northwest.
Roger, I have eyes on.
I'm gonna be shooting mortar rounds at a heads up. Shot over, heads up.
I'm gonna go east-west. Hey, shit, we have shots from inside the town.
Yeah, it's gonna be bearing southeast. Not bearing southeast, but southeast.
Am I cleared hot on those targets?
Yeah, southeast, anything you cleared hot is southeast. Make sure it's not friendly, I don't think there is any. Okay, the effect with the mortars and air at the same time is crazy.
Fucking insane, dude. I've noticed that. Coming in for that attack. Oh shit. Hey, on destroyed, there's guys on there. Webbo.
On the hill, on the hill.
I believe so, yeah.
Stand by, heavy suppressive fire coming from my southeast.
Green
I'm bugging out.
tracers, interrogator drink green tracers.
Hey, firm, they are.
I have eyes on.
Everything, contact from down the wall. Hey, everything, contact from the south down the road from church.
Hey, firm, I'll be orbiting around 1 sec.
Checking purple smoke for, yeah, where they are.
Purple smoke is enemy location.
And purple smoke is enemy, correct. Mark.
Oh, rocket on the east side
Smoke
of
in
me.
there, I'm coming down.
I had eyes on that target.
I'm seeing if I can stabilize, but I'm pretty fucked.
Hey, I only have 2 times hydras. Going guns after this.
Alright, I'm without a break. Alright, I'm starting to get my bird stabilized. I'm going down icy.
Roger. Hey, all units, it's gonna be 1 times little bird, Wellbow's down. Zoga, green tracers enemy.
User left your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel.
I live, motherfuckers.
I'm coming up right above the crash right now.
Atrium, I'm on it. Popping yellow smoke on my location.
Roger, roger.
Hey, we need help. Bad. Northeast of objective. Or
Hey,
church.
disregard me, just go
Yep,
to him,
yep,
go
yep.
to him.
Roughly 2 squad-sized contacts right behind the church on the northeast side. Let me know when you got eyes on them.
I have eyes on those targets. I'm gonna have to go in for another orbit. Godfather, if it is possible to get a rearm while in the air.
I'm on it.
Mark, Zilga, mark with red smoke.
And danger close!
Where?
Right behind church, northeast.
Grid reference 103191 on green smoke,
Roger, coming in.
On lays, on... Oh, that's good! Really
good effect,
good!
good effect. Stand by.
Good effect, everything's dead. Good effect. Holy. That was good. That was really good.
Props to IC_0. You can sign the autograph later.
You didn't kill any friendlies either. Dude, that was good. Holy cow.
Yo, was Eagle near there?
Yeah, no, he was, but we're good.
Nah. I just wanted him to get that shit on stream.
Oh yeah, he definitely got that shit on stream. He definitely.
Good shit. Hey, Welbo, are you up in the air anytime soon?
Yeah, I'll exfil.
Roger, you wanna rearm me real quick?
Yeah, stand by.
Hey, good off.
User left your channel. User left your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Be advised, CH-47 inbound right now. Ground, this is air. Mark position with smoke. Did they really fucking steal my thunder?
They might have. Godfather's air is op done.
Air, this is air. I'm picking these guys up right now.
Roger, is that gonna be the Chinook?
Yeah, I'm taking the Chinook.
Watch this fucking flyby, bitch. Don't pull up.
Hey, yo, you just killed a bunch of friendlies.
No, I didn't.
I'm just kidding.
I am gonna kill that Chinook now.
No.
Coming in 3, 2, 1. Dunzo.
Bye-bye.
User left your channel.
Alright, I'm gonna crash into you guys though for a phone.
Second
User
last.
joined your channel.
What did you say, guys?
I'm gonna crash into you guys.
No, you're a hoe ass.
God damn, dude. How many friendlies are there? I might have actually killed some friendlies. There's no way I didn't. Air, this is air. You got a little bird on your fucking ass as we speak. You're gonna need some fucking help here.
Oh fuck, oh shit, oh fuck.
God damn it. That little bird is actually off your ass. We have a fucking dumbass ninja.
Bitch ass nigga.
Coming up on your bottom right. This shit's about to be cool as fuck.
Wow, that gave me a bony.
I know, right?
User left your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel. User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
My
User left
ninjas.
your channel. User left your channel.
You know how not to do
Okay,
IC.
dude.
User joined your
You
channel.
were hitting that castle. You almost blew up that castle.
I know I did.
Yeah, no.
User
Alright,
left
we
your
were in
channel.
there.
Yeah, Zoga told me to blow up the castle, and
User
then I
joined
blew
your
up the
channel.
castle, and then he's like, "Oh wait, I meant away from the castle." I'm like,
User
"Oh
left
shit."
your channel.
Yeah, you gotta think.
User joined
Abner,
your
shut your
channel.
fucking dumb ass up, you nasty bitch.
That's how I feel about that. Fuck that
Exactly.
kid.
Fuck that fucking
For real.
bitch.
Damn.
User left your channel.
Okay, what was the
little bird?
Both of us.
User joined your
Both
channel.
of y'all. All right. Who is shooting the little bird?
User
both
left
of
your
Both of
channel.
us.
Yeah, I see.
Son
You
of a
were
gun.
shooting
User
at.
joined your
What is your
channel.
armor, man? What is your armor?
How am I alive? I'm sorry, Ab. What did you just do?
You wanna play that game?
Yeah, I think I do want to play that game. I love playing that game.
You should be healed.
Thank you.
Yeah, you should all be healed.
I didn't die when the rocket hit.
Good for you.